What is creativity? Now I am going to tell you. Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great. That is Mahan. You will become a Mahan. Knowledge. Okay?
Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thought, and thoughts result in action. A famous quote of our great and legendary missile man and people's president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. As this quote indicates, our Little Flower School also makes and kindles each and every child to dream big and aim big for and preparing our kids to achieve big. We are glad to dedicate an event to a wonderful personality on his birthday. Our kids have keenly prepared and made this day a delighted one. Let's all dream. Our kids will make the dream of our eminent person to come true. Dear parents and students, Little Flower Media presents a special event in remembrance of our missile man, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. World Students' Day is celebrated every year on October 15th. The day is celebrated in honor of the birth anniversary of former President of India, late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. On this Students' Day, as Dr. Abdul Kalam has said, our Little Flower School also focuses on the dreams of our kids. We give them the holistic development in all areas and make them dream, which transforms into thoughts, and finally it results in action.
தேசிய கொடியும் அசைந்து சொல்லும் கலாம் கலாம் சலாம் சலாம்.
Greetings to all. I am P. Suganti from 7B. I am going to share my words about the most amazing person that ever lived, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was indeed one of the most humble, intelligent, wise, selfless, and loving and lovable leader. He was born on 15 October 1931 in Rameshwara. He was a real gem of India. He was a famous scientist because of his work in the field of science and especially in the missile and rockets. He proved that with determination that anything can be achieved. He was a real gem of India. He served the nation as the president for one term and left us always on 27 July 2015 due to cardiac arrest. After his sudden demise at Shillong, he was laid to rest at Pekaragal, Rameshwaram at 13 July 2015. A memorial has been built at the burial site. Inside the memorial, we can see selected photos, paintings, and miniature of models, etc. Memorial is less than 1 kilometer from Rameshwaram. They have invested 120 crore for the construction and the record of 9-month period. More than 800 photos are displayed inside. Inside the memorial, there are 4 halls which depicts the life and time of Kalam. The entrance of the memorial depicts the India Gate and Chettinad Road into the interbreak. The structure of the main dome of the building is replica of Rashtrapati Bhavan. Abdul Kalam's bronze statue is displayed centered in the memorial. Abdul Kalam's daily used things such as coffee cups, plates, press, laptop, slipper are displayed inside. DRDO Agni missile is displayed backside of this memorial. The permanent memory of the great leader will now welcome the visitors to the temple town Rameshwaram. Thank you.
தேசிய கொடியும் அசைந்து சொல்லும் கலாம் கலாம் சலாம் சலாம்.
Good day, everybody. How are you? Hope that you are all doing well. Today, a wonderful human being is celebrated. Can you guess who he is? Yes, absolutely. Our former president, APJ Abdul Kalam. Today is his birthday.
To honor our missile man Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam on his birthday, we would like to present a fantastic skit. Watch and enjoy.
Questions. 5 questions. Who is going to ask 5 questions? Yes, get up.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. What's your name?
My name is Niveda Vashni. I am studying 8th standard.
8th standard? Yes, sir. What subject you will take in future?
In future, I wish to take Biomax.
Why bio?
I am interested in biology and
Biology. Do you want to become a doctor?
my ambition is to I want to study more on aerospace engineering.
Good. You are become a life scientist. Is right?
Yes, sir.
Very good girl. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Sir, my question to you is a journey from Rameshwaram to Rashtrapati Bhavan. Indeed, a great achievement which no one can think of.
You are giving the lecture now. What the question?
Sir, I would like to hear from you a few tips for the upcoming generation to succeed in life.
Well, succeed in life, I have already told you. You have to do 4 things. Number 1, repeat with me. Number 1, you repeat.
Number 1.
Great aim.
Great aim.
I will have great aim.
I will have great aim.
I will continuously acquire knowledge.
Continuously acquire knowledge.
I will do hard work.
I will do hard work.
I will persevere
I will persevere
and succeed.
and succeed.
Okay, that's the mantra, okay?
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Good evening, sir. Good evening. What's your name? I am Kavi Kamban. I am studying 7th standard from Little Flower School, Karur. Can you keep the mic like this? Keep distance. Yeah. My question is, at present, what are the major strength and weakness of our India? What are the major strength? Major strength. What are the major strength of India? And weakness of India. And weakness. Fantastic boy. Which class you are studying? 7th standard. Okay. The strength of India. The major strength of India. You guys. 600 million youth. Okay. All of you. Repeat. Ignited mind. Ignited mind. Of the youth. Of the youth. Is the most powerful resource. Is the most powerful resource. On the earth. On the earth. Above the earth. Above the earth. Under the earth. Under the earth. Okay. You said, what is the weakness of India? Weakness of India, without vision, a nation dies without vision. Okay? Thank you, sir. Okay. Next.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. What's your name?
My name is Tamara NM. I am studying in 6th standard from Little Flower School.
What's your question?
Let me put off my question. Among all your valuable achievements, which do you consider as outstanding as a space scientist and President of India?
Well, I passively believed all of the students. I am a teacher. When my student got PhD, that was the greatest happiness for me. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Next.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. What's your name?
My name is Danya.
Which class you are studying?
I'm studying 7th standard. I'm representing Little Flower School, Karur.
Fantastic. What subject you will take in future?
In my mind, I have an idea to become an engineer and also trying for doctor. But I mostly prefer on engineering.
Okay, what's your question?
Sir, you have always emphasized on the important role youngsters have to do in the nation's development. Could you suggest some projects in which students can contribute the society?
How?
How students like us can contribute the society?
How students can contribute for the nation development, right?
Yes, sir.
Well, I believed all of the students. One advice for all of you. When you are a student, your job and mission is excellent education. When you reach 10 plus 2, everybody asking 90% plus to become a doctor, become an engineer, become a manager. Get in any field. If you got time, go at hospital with your parents and friends. There are some benches, but no one sit there because they are orphaned people. So take some flowers, fruits to them, let them be happy, okay?
Yes, sir.
Then plant 5 trees, then educate for the people if you are affordable for higher education. These are all side work. The education is the most important thing, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, next.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. What's your name?
My name is Shivamadan. I am studying 8th standard from Little Flower School.
What's your question?
My question is, brain drain is a major problem in our country.
Which one, brain drain?
Yes, sir. Many youngsters are settling in abroad, which is great loss for us. If there any possible solution for this?
We don't need any solution because there is no brain drain, okay? So don't worry about it because we are billions people, okay? So don't worry about it. 3 million students come out every year in various fields. Few in thousands, few in 10,000s does not matter. But globalized world, Indian will go similarly, other countries will come here, so exchange our knowledge. It's nothing wrong. But according to me, there is no brain drain, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for your questions. All the best.
தேசிய கொடியும் அசைந்து சொல்லும் கலாம் கலாம் சலாம் சலாம்.
Greetings, everyone. Today I am here to deliver a quote on Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, climbing to the top demands strength, whether it is to the top of Mount Everest or to the top of your career. Thank you to all. Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thought and thought result in action.
தேசிய கொடியும் அசைந்து சொல்லும் கலாம் கலாம் சலாம் சலாம்.
Hi, this is Sri Sabari. A warm welcome and hearty wishes to our beloved principal father, teachers and friends who motivates me so far. And here I am going to sing a praiseful song on our former president, for our leader, intellectual scientist Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And this was composed by my mother and written by my sister Dr. Hema Priya. The name that makes me hearty, it makes me proud inside. His genuine spoke is nature, his talk is so friendly. Habitually talks about future, who impressed me through his lectures. Now I am sensing around the world, adjuring like wave your talk. Your absence is the only grief that I had. The seeds that you sowed are still with us. I assure that will grow behind the sky. There I will meet you. Laments about my impediments and success. You just wanna adjust there and hold my hands with your warmth. That's all I need in my life. That's all I need in my life.
தேசிய கொடியும் அசைந்து சொல்லும் கலாம் கலாம் சலாம் சலாம்.
Good morning to all. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on 15th September 1931 at Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu. His father name was Jayalarin and his mother name was Ashima. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was an Indian scientist. He was 11th President of India in 2002. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was known as Missile Man. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was died on 27th July 2015 at Geelong.
தேசிய கொடியும் அசைந்து சொல்லும் கலாம் கலாம் சலாம் சலாம்.
Good morning everyone. This is Ayan from Junior KG Jasmine. Dr. Abdul Kalam said, dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts and thoughts result in action. If you fail, never give up because fail means first attempt in learning. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like the sun. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Small aim, great. Have a great day. Thank you.
தேசிய கொடியும் அசைந்து சொல்லும் கலாம் கலாம் சலாம் சலாம்.
Greetings everyone, I am Joylin from 6th C. Today I am here to deliver a speech about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's full name was Abul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam. Abul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam was born to Jainulabdin and Ashiyama on 15th October 1931 in Rameshwaram. His father was a boat owner, his mother was a homemaker. His family's economic situation was not strong. So at an early age, he began helping his family financially. He had been selling newspapers to support his family's income. His dream as a child to become a fighter pilot. He got graduated from the Madras Institute of Technology and also from the St. Joseph's College at Tiruchi. He got appreciated with Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan awards. He took his last breath on 27th July 2015. Thank you.
தேசிய கொடியும் அசைந்து சொல்லும் கலாம் கலாம் சலாம் சலாம்.
You know the world more. You are a person of floor whose wishes are known to shore. Like a bird, you did dwell. Like a bird, you did dwell. Not like a sea, not like a sea. Achieving, researching, teaching was your passion. You consider your listeners as a pearl. Thus you wear a shell. Wow. Great speeches you gave. We could be your slave. All you want was a nation, a developed nation, a developed nation in 2020. Like a seed was your dream, like a germination. When some fulfilled, like a farm, when some supported, which will later become an beautiful garden.
தேசிய கொடியும் அசைந்து சொல்லும் கலாம் கலாம் சலாம் சலாம்.
Happy morning to all. I'm Neha, senior KG study class. Poetry about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And everyone followed his footsteps. He followed truth and incidents. He followed his them, and everyone followed his style. He followed simplicity, and everyone followed his art. He followed humanity, and everyone was doing his admiration. He became an inspiration. Thank you.
தேசிய கொடியும் அசைந்து சொல்லும் கலாம் கலாம் சலாம் சலாம்.
A pleasant greetings to our respected principals, lovable teachers, dear parents, and my sweet friends here. I would like to share some achievements of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Kalam was an Indian scientist who served as the 11th President of India. He designed helicopters for Indian Army. He worked as the project director for SLV-3, India's first indigenous satellite launch vehicle at ISRO. He expanded India's space program. He was the chief scientific advisor to the Prime Minister and the Secretary of Defence Research and Development Organization. During this period, he supervised the successful Pokhran 2 explosions. Kalam developed a low-cost coronary stent along with cardiologist Dr. Soma Raju, which was named as Kalam Raju stent. He made 10 times lighter artificial limbs. Kalam was selected as a rocket engineer. Under his leadership, India became a major military power. After the success of Agni and Prithvi, therefore, Abdul Kalam was popularly known as Missile Man of India. He launched many initiatives for youth development. Wings of Fire and India 2020 are modern classic and have motivated millions of Indians. He has received many awards such as Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Bharat Ratna, etc. His vision was India to be a developed country. As we as students, we will try to accomplish his dream to come true. It would be a tribute to him. Our birth can be an incident, but our life has an inspiring history. Thank you.
தேசிய கொடியும் அசைந்து சொல்லும் கலாம் கலாம் சலாம் சலாம்.
Good morning, everybody. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's quotes. All birds find shelter during a rain, but eagle avoids rain, finds shelter by flying above the clouds. Thank you.
தேசிய கொடியும் அசைந்து சொல்லும் கலாம் கலாம் சலாம் சலாம்.
Abdul Kalam's declamation. All of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talent. Every pain gives a lesson, and every lesson changes a person. Suffering is the essence of success. If you fail, never give up, because fail means first attempt in learning. It is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very hard to win someone. Your best teacher is your last mistake. Success is when your signature changes into autograph. Accept your past without regret, handle your present with confidence, and face your future without fear. You have to dream before your dreams come true. Learning gives creativity, creativity leads to thinking, thinking leads to knowledge, and knowledge makes you great. The best brains of the nations may be found on the last benches of the classroom. End is not an end. In fact, end means effort never dies. If you get no as an answer, remember no means next opportunity. So let us be positive. Thank you.
தேசிய கொடியும் அசைந்து சொல்லும் கலாம் கலாம் சலாம் சலாம்.
Good morning to everyone. I am Angin Vitaran, studying senior KG RN section. October 15, Abdul Kalam's birthday. I am going to narrate an incident happened during Kalam's induction with the school children at Kerala. As children asked a question, say fruitive for the upcoming generation. to succeed in life. Kalam sir replied, you have to follow 4 things in life. With aim, acquire continuous knowledge, or cause, passive and succeed. That's for success. I conclude with the quote, success is signature changes to autograph. Thank you.
தேசிய கொடியும் அசைந்து சொல்லும் கலாம் கலாம் சலாம் சலாம்.
Good morning. Today I would like to share Abdul Kalam's quotes. Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great. Thank you.
தேசிய கொடியும் அசைந்து சொல்லும் கலாம் கலாம் சலாம் சலாம்.
Hi everybody. Can you help me? I am Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. I am popularly known as President of India. Dream, dream, dream. Thank you. Jai.
தேசிய கொடியும் அசைந்து சொல்லும் கலாம் கலாம் சலாம் சலாம்.
Life and time are the world's best teachers. Life teaches us to make good use of time. Time teaches us the value of life. Thank you.
தேசிய கொடியும் அசைந்து சொல்லும் கலாம் கலாம் சலாம் சலாம்.
Good morning to everybody. I am Shivapriya. Today I am here to present a song written by former President of our nation, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. As a young citizen of India, armed with knowledge and love for my nation, I realize small aim is a crime. I will work and sweat for a great vision. As a young citizen of India, armed with knowledge and love for my nation, I realize small aim is a crime. I will work and sweat for a great vision. The vision of transforming India, powered by technology with value system. The vision of developed India, powered by economic strength with value system. I will work and sweat for a great vision. For the vision of developed nation, I will work and sweat for a great vision. For the vision of developed nation. As a young citizen of India, armed with knowledge and love for my nation, I realize small aim is a crime. I will work and sweat for a great vision. The ignited soul is most powerful on and above under the earth. The ignited soul is most powerful on and above under the earth. I am one of the citizens of the billions. Only the vision will ignite the billion souls. I am one of the citizens of the billions. Only the vision will ignite the billion souls. I will keep the lamp of knowledge burning, burning to achieve the vision of vibrant India. I will keep the lamp of knowledge burning, burning to achieve the vision of developed nation. I pray thee, Almighty, may the divine peace of beauty enter in us. I pray thee, Almighty, may the divine peace of beauty enter in us. Happiness and good health blossom, blossom in our bodies, minds and souls. Happiness and good health blossom, blossom in our bodies, minds and souls. In our bodies, minds and souls. In our bodies, minds and souls. Thank you.